Welcome back. So guys, in this video we will see how to print scare by using star. So first of all we have declaring variable I, j and sides. And the next step is we have to enter the side of scare by user. So that's why I'm first of all printing the line that will enter. So print f, and then the line which I want to enter is that. So I'm using printf, and the line which I want to print is enter your scare 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 sides. After this I want to print this line in a new line. That's why I'm using \n. And the next step is we have to use declaring input. So we use input data type scanf that will take the input. Now I'm taking the sides of scare as an input. So that's why I'm using address sides. So I'm using sides. So I'm using sides and sides. So this is actually take the input as a side of scare. So and the next step I want to use for loop. So in nested loop the first for loop is always used for rows, and it has three parts. First one is initialization, second one is condition, and the third one is updation. So I am initializing I is equal to 0 and I less than side. So I'm using a condition I less than side, and I want to update I plus plus. So this is our first for loop for creating, for generating rows as an output. So this is our first loop. Now I'm using again second for loop for creating columns. As you know, in nested for loop, the second for loop for columns, and it also has three parts. First one is initialization, second one is condition, and the third one is updation. So I'm initializing j is equal to 0, j less than side, and then j plus plus. So this is actually the second for loop for creating columns. Now I want to print star as an scare. That's why I'm using printf. So I'm using here printf, and I want to print the stars. So that's why I'm using star and terminating sign. And you should change this program in any shape. So that's why I use this. So guys, if you are really like this video, then subscribe channel. And the next step is we have to use return 0 so that it will end the program. So and I want to print the scare in a new line. So now I use printf with \n so that it will print every stars in a new line, which will print our output as a scare. So that's why I'm using \n. Now our program is approximately ready to run. Let's run our program and see the output and see whether it is giving the scare or not. So I'm running my program. So wait a minute. So I'm running my program and let's see it giving the output as a scare or not. So I'm entering the number of rows, and I'm entering number of rows is, so I'm entering 5 number of rows. It will print 5 side and 5 length and 5 width, so it will scare. So you can see there are 5 rows and 5 columns. Thanks for watching this.